Pak, dalam Pak.
Rajin ya.
Wah, emang teman si Arti. Oke, itu betul. Ada tuh paling laris. Ini ada.
Sebenarnya di to destination follow back route, back level to 990 initially, follow Isani, Charlie Alpha 1, Sierra departure, shock number 2324. Line up and with traffic by heli, position approaching over direction, 4,000 kilo.
1000 approved and position please. Go back 6 miles to Nagreg, support reaching 3000. Prosper 788 airborne forward to report passing 4500.
Harris 12, Roger, report over direction. Traffic, yes, airborne, runway 1. Sebenarnya cek passing altitude. Sebenarnya ada Roger, kontak Bandung 12.0 landing.
In 234 check positional. Room 13 DME.
Ada sekitar level label.
About 30 miles.
Initially, follow Isani, Charlie Alpha 1, Sierra departure, shock number 2331.
Caravan. En route from Halim to Nusawiru, maintaining 9500 on radial 130 miles from London November Delta. Confirm after reaching 8005, ready for left turn direct Charlie Alpha. Clear climb to 990, after reaching 8005, continue left turn direct Charlie Alpha. Left turn before passing 10,000.
Check position.